Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Plain, cooked pasta and rice is a popular choice and a great source of carbohydrates. Just make sure that they are not coated in sauce or cheese. You can even provide wet or dry dog or cat food for birds. You will need to break up and soak dry foods though, to prevent birds choking. 6 April 2020.
Take our lead.
Yes. Birds should not be offered many of the foods humans eat. Bread, fresh or stale, provides no real nutritional value for birds. Moldy bread can harm birds. Table scraps, some may not be safe or healthy for birds. Most table scraps will attract mice or rats.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, boil and mash them and you can mix all sorts in with them. Why not boil an egg? This is one of the things that Peel used to give hens when I was a lad. I often do extra potatoes for the birds, mashed or boiled. They soon devour them, especially the naughty, squabbling starlings. The 27th of November 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Vegetables, cold Brussels, parsnips or carrots will be eaten by starlings and other birds, but remember not to put out more than will be eaten in one day, otherwise you run the risk of attracting rats. Cut them up and leave them on the bird table or on the ground.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Garden birds can eat cucumber, but it's a tough ask. Offer up chunks of cucumber around the garden, as to cater to ground or feeder-eating birds. Only serve a cucumber out in the open, but do cut it open to reveal its juicy center. In the meantime, expect robins, starlings or pied flycatcher to take a bite. 13 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Not recommended. Bacon drippings are animal fat just like suet, and many birds will eat it. So despite the fact that birds love it, bacon and bacon fat pose too much of a risk to the long-term health of birds to warrant using it. 20 April 2009.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In fact, it is rare to find evidence of birds choking to death. However, there are documented cases showing a bird likely choked to death and how the choke happened. Birds do not have an epiglottis that covers their trachea. Without the teeth and chewing muscles that humans have, birds often swallow their food whole. 11 October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Eggs and eggshells. While it may seem contrary at first, cooked eggs can be a popular feeder food that offers many essential nutrients for birds. Crushed eggshells are also an important source of calcium for nesting birds and grit to help birds' digestion. 30 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.